Determine the equation of the tangent line that meets the circle at the point -1, -1. Let us begin. So here we have a circle. Let's say it is centered at C. And we have a line which is tangent to the circle at point A. And the coordinates of point A are given as -1, -1. Our goal will be to determine the equation of the tangent line. To find out the equation of the tangent line, we will be using the point form of a tangent line. Now, let's quickly define the point form of a tangent line. The point form is given by x times x1 plus y times y1 plus g multiplied to x plus x1 plus f times y plus y1 plus the constant c equals to 0. So here x1 comma y1 will be the coordinates of the point of contact. So it's given here. We have x1 comma y1, that's the coordinates of the point of contact. So that's given here as -1 comma -1, which tells us that the value of x1 will be equals to -1 and the value of y1 will be equals to -1. Now, our next task will be to obtain the value of the constants g, f, and c, which we can obtain by using the equation of the circle. So it's given here, the equation of the circle. So let's note it down. We have x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. Now what we'll do, we will be comparing this equation with the general equation of the circle. Now the general equation of the circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. So that means our value of 2g, that will be -4, which gives us the value of g as -2. Then we have 2 times f equals to -6, which gives us the value of f equals to -3. And then we have the value of c, so that's -12. Now that we have the values of g, f, c as well as x1 and y1, so let's substitute these into our point form to get x times x1. So x1 will be -1 plus y times y1. So y1 is -1. Then we have plus g. So plus g will be -2 times x plus x1. So we have x minus 1. Then we have -3 times y minus 1 plus the constant c. So c value is -12 equals to 0. So let's further simplify. We get -x, -y minus 2x plus 2 minus 3y plus 3 minus 12 equals to 0. Now we have -x minus 2x, that's -3x. Then we have -y minus 3y, that's -4y. So we are left with 2 plus 3, that's 5. 5 minus 12, that's going to be -7 equals to 0. We're going to multiply throughout with -1 to get 3x plus 4y plus 7 equals to 0. So this is the required equation of the tangent to the circle at the point -1, 1.